on September 28, we will be having a run for a cause. That is actually in relation to the theme of the city, fostering a culture of caring. And the beneficiary of this, one of the beneficiary of this run for a cause that will be held on September 28 is the Baguio General Hospital and Medical Center dialysis patients and Partners Association Incorporated. So once again, in the celebration of our Charter Day, we always help one another so that, again, this beloved city can be proud of as our very own city of Baguio, not for only of us, but everybody. So once again, in behalf of the staff of yours truly, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank especially the able leadership of Director Helen Dibaldo of the Philippine Information Agency, of course, Brother Mix, and to our friends from the media. Likewise to our guests, those who ask questions that in a way I may not be able to answer completely or satisfactory your questions. Surely we have other ways to come. We can always more or less answer it in another way. So that again, thank you so much sa Kapihan ng Baguio. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Maraming salamat, Honorable Congressman Ricardo Aguilar Jr. Maraming salamat, Mix.
Thank you, Ma'am Helen, and of course, well said, Congressman. So, Ma'am Helen, maraming salamat at ako na-invitahan po bilang maging co-host nyo ng special Kapihan.